Welcome to 9631 East Lobo Avenue, a beautifully positioned home in the prestigious Augusta Ranch golf course community. Inside, the thoughtfully designed split floor plan features soaring 10-foot ceilings, extensive tile flooring, accent paint, and built-in surround sound with in-ceiling speakers. The family room is centered around a cozy gas fireplace, creating a comfortable space for relaxing or gathering with guests. The kitchen blends style and functionality with a large island and breakfast bar, granite slab countertops and backsplash, 42-inch cabinetry with hardware, a walk-in pantry, and stainless steel appliances including a gas range. The spacious owner's suite features 10-foot ceilings and private patio access, while both the owner's and guest bathrooms are upgraded with granite counters and modern square sinks. Set on an oversized corner golf course lot with only one neighboring property, this residence offers exceptional privacy, scenic views, and a prime East Mesa location. Generously sized secondary bedrooms provide flexible space for guests, hobbies, or a home office. Step outside to your private backyard retreat, complete with an extended covered patio with speakers and fan, a PebbleTech pool with a rock waterfall, in-ground cleaning system, and view fencing overlooking the golf course. Additional highlights include soft water, reverse osmosis, an RV gate, and a 3-car garage with built-in storage. This home offers a perfect blend of privacy, comfort, and golf course living in one of East Mesa's most sought-after communities.